This letter, meron pong nag-text sa akin. May nag-email, nagbigay ng message. Pangalan niya, Catherine Joyce. Ibabasa ko po ito sa inyo. Sana hindi ako ang unang maiyak. Okay. A wise person once told me that magic happens at the most unexpected moments. Today has been planned for months and months, and it was filled with magic. I've known my kuya for my whole life, and I've never seen him happier than when he is with Ate Irene. This magic that makes them happy today is love. Love, however, isn't always simple. You will fight and disagree, but as long as you love and respect each other, this magic will never die. They complete each other in a perfect way, and they are clearly 100% right for each other. A perfect match in an imperfect world. I may not be present on your greatest moment. I wish you that may the rest of your lives be filled with magical moments. I love you both. Congratulations. Huwag kang mag-alala, kuya. Sigurado sa kasal ko, present ako. Love, Catherine Joyce. Siya po yung sister ni Attorney Kid na nasa Saudi. So, Catherine Joyce, I hope I have given justice to your letter to your kuya. Muntik ka ako naiyak. Buti na lang nauna kayo. Ay, naiyak si Attorney. Case dismissed. Dahil joke lang po.